Good afternoon, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please switch on your cameras. Please switch on your cameras. We will start in a minute. Okay. Priyanshi, Nancy, Arshita is okay. Arshita is on now. Okay. Priyanshi is on. Disha, camera on करिए. Disha and Nancy. Disha, better switch on your camera.
Yes, sir.
And also, okay, Nancy has done it. Good. Okay. Okay. So Disha, you do it. We will get started. Okay. So we were revising the chapter of light. Okay. So can the refractive index of a material be less than 1? Tell me. What do you think? Can the refractive index be less than 1? Refractive index क्या होता है? Sorry, we write it with n in this. Okay. Refractive index क्या होता है? Speed of light in medium, sorry, in vacuum by speed of light in medium. For this to be less than 1, the speed of light in the medium should be more than the speed of light in vacuum, right? Which is not possible, right? The speed of light is highest in vacuum. So no medium can have a refractive index less than 1. 1 is the refractive index of vacuum, which is the smallest. Okay. Define the principal axis. तनवीर अपने को म्यूट पे रखिए बेटा. Define the principal axis of a lens. Lens का principal axis बताइए क्या होता है. And also switch on your cameras. Lot of cameras are off. Arun, Abhay, Mayank, प्रियांशी आपका फिर से ऑफ हो गया बेटा. कैमरा ऑन रखिए. Your camera is also gone off. Ayan, कैमरा ऑन करिए. Tanveer, Ayan, Tanisha, and Mayank. मैं बार बार क्यों कहना पड़ता है आपको? आपका हर 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 क्लास में मुझे आपको कहना पड़ता है बार बार. Don't do that. Switch on your camera. Okay, I'll check again. In the meantime, please define the principal axis of a lens. लेंस में प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस कैसे बनता है? देखिए, ग्लास इन केस ऑफ मिरर तो आपने बताया पोल को और किसको ज्वाइन करा? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को, तो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बना था. इसमें कैसे बनता है लेंस के केस में? बताइए. द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस इज क्रिएटेड बाय, अगर ये हमारा लेंस है, this is our lens. Okay, the line joining the two center of curvatures is the principal axis. Okay, so the lens has two curved surfaces. Both the curved surfaces have their centers of curvature. The line joining these centers of curvature is the principal axis. Okay, what is the meaning of optical center of a lens? ऑप्टिकल सेंटर क्या होता है लेंस में? Tell me.
Center of the lens.
Yes, the physical center of the lens, right? The physical center of the lens. ठीक है, तो अगर ये हमारा लेंस है तो ये, या फिर ये हमारा लेंस है तो ये, right? It is in the lens. Okay. What is its importance in the two cases? पहले इसमें बताइए, रे डायग्राम जब हम बनाते हैं तब हम ऑप्टिकल सेंटर का क्या हमारे लिए वैल्यू होती है, क्या हम इसका यूज करते हैं उस समय रे डायग्राम्स में?
Measure all the length from optical center.
हाँ, which is in case of formula, a measurement. You are right. In case of formula, measurements are done from optical center. Okay, but in case of ray diagram, इसकी क्या value है? Ray through the optical center goes undeviated. Okay, the ray through the optical center goes undeviated. Now, which of the following lenses would you call as converging lens? इनमें कौन सा converging lens है? Okay, is hello. Okay, so yeah, okay, there was some technical problem. Okay, now which ones are converging lenses? Do you know what a converging lens is? Converging lens वो लेंस है कि अगर पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट आए तो वो उसको कन्वर्ज करे ऐसे. ठीक है ना, ये जो करता है वो कन्वर्जिंग लेंस होता है. तो इनमें से ये कन्वर्जिंग है, पहले ये बताइए, इज दिस कन्वर्जिंग? ए कैसे बनाते हैं? ये तो स्टैंडर्ड है ना, इसको आप ऐसे बनाते हैं, राइट? सो ए इज कन्वर्जिंग. बी, all convex lenses are converging lenses. सिंपल सा है. तो ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
there is some problem today in the, I don't know why. This was happening in the other class also. Okay, I lose the connection and I get connected again. If that happens, please do not leave the class. Okay, it takes only about 30 seconds for it to come back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Huh. So, which are converging lenses? All of these are converging lenses. Even this is thicker at the center. Okay, so this is also a converging lens. So the answer is this. How would you know that a lens is a diverging lens? By only physically examining it. फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन से कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक लेंस जो है वो डाइवर्जिंग लेंस है? डाइवर्जिंग का मतलब कॉनकेव. कैसे पता चलेगा?
It would be thin from the center.
Yes. Okay, so the lens would be thin in the center and thicker at the peripheries. Okay, thicker at the periphery. Thin in center, thicker at the periphery. Okay, और convex में उल्टा. In case of a mirror, f is equal to r by 2. Would you say that this also holds true for a lens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, देखिए लेंस में क्या होता है कि दो रेडियस होते हैं, राइट? ये अब मान लीजिए मैं लेंस को ऐसे ड्रॉ करता हूं तो ये रेडियस तो कम है, ये रेडियस ज्यादा है, राइट? फोकल लेंथ तो दोनों तरफ एक ही है. सो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द टू रेडियाई एंड द फोकस is very complex, right? You will do it in class 12th. It's not like it's very complex, but it's out of scope for us, right? So this is not true. इसीलिए हम लेंस के केस में क्या लिखते हैं? यहाँ एफ एफ, यहाँ क्या लिखते हैं? हम आर सी नहीं लिखते. क्या लिखते हैं? इसीलिए सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर नहीं लिखते हैं. वी टॉक ऑफ अ क्वांटिटी कॉल्ड 2f. Okay, which is twice the focal length, which is similar to the center of curvature in case of mirrors. But it is not really the center of curvature. Okay, so no, this is not true. No, we cannot say that. Okay. तो कभी भी आप जब ये डायग्राम बनाए, don't write a C here. That would be wrong. Okay, don't write C here. Always write 2f. Observe the two lenses below. They are identical, but they are just flipped around. What would be the difference in their behavior? मान लीजिए मैं at a distance u एक object रखता हूं, इसमें भी at a distance u same distance पे एक object रखता हूं, same object. Will the image formed be different in two cases? See, you will not be allowed to calculate, right? You will not be, asked to calculate such a complex lens. ये theoretical question है pure. ठीक है? तो the answer, if nobody knows, the answer is no difference. Okay? लेंस को उल्टा सीधा लगाने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वो वैसे ही काम करता है. ठीक है? तो लेंस को उसकी दोनों तरफ वो सेम ही डिस्टेंस पे एफ होते हैं. बस ये एफ हो गया, ये एफ डैश हो गया, ये प्राइमरी फोकस है, सेकेंडरी फोकस है, क्योंकि जब लाइट आएगी तो यहाँ पे कन्वर्ज होगी, लेकिन वो बात एक ही है. ओके, So there is no difference. आप लेंस को उल्टा सीधा कैसे भी लगा सकते हो. State the lens formula. And
1 by f is equal to v minus 1 by u.
yeah, 1 by v minus 1 by u, right? मिरर में ये प्लस होता था. और जो मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होता है? मैग्निफिकेशन होता है इमेज ऑफ द हाइट ऑफ द इमेज बाय हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, विच इज सेम एज v बाय u. यहाँ पे जो मिरर में माइनस साइन होता था, इसमें नहीं होता है, राइट? So these formulas are similar to the mirror formula, but slightly different. Okay? A lens is used to form a picture of an, or form, I would rather use image. Okay, form an image of an object 20 centimeter from it onto a screen that is 50 centimeter away from the lens. What type of lens is used? Find the type and magnification of the image. Object is 20 centimeter away. कौन सा लेंस यूज हो रहा है इस केस में? The image is formed 50 centimeter from the lens onto a screen.
Concave lens.
किस बेसिस पे? Tell me the basis.
Sir, I think concave lens, convex lens.
Why
Because sir,
convex?
only real images can be formed on the screen, and concave lens can't form a real image.
Very good. Very, very good. Okay. So the information given here is that the image is formed on a screen. It means it is a real image, and only convex lenses form real image. Okay. Concave lenses form virtual images only. Convex lens can form real and virtual both, but concave can form only virtual. So this information tells us that it is a convex lens. Very good. So इसकी image real बन रही है यहाँ पे, right, at a distance of 50. Now what it is asking is find the type. टाइप क्या है? ऑलरेडी पता चल गया है हमें, रियल है. इमेज बन रही है स्क्रीन पे, रियल है, तो ठीक है, रियल. अब मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ द इमेज. मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होता है? v by u, right? What is v? Is 50. What is u?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Very good. U is minus 20. We always measure from the optical center, and it's going towards the left. It is minus 20. Okay, so it is 2.5 minus. Okay, now 2.5 is bigger than 1, means magnified. Okay, the sign is minus, tells us it's real and inverted. So it's real, inverted, and magnified. This is the full type definition, and magnification is minus 2.5. Okay, an object is 20 centimeter away from a lens. The lens forms an image which is 2 times smaller than the object. Find the focal length of the lens. How will we do this now? See, the image being formed is 2 times smaller. Yani ki diminished image है. Now the problem starts. Because it's a diminished image, we are not told if it is real, right? If we were told it is real, then we would have known it's the convex lens. If it was told it is virtual, diminished and virtual, केवल concave बनाते हैं, real बनाते हैं, virtual and magnified, sorry, convex बनाते हैं, virtual and magnified, concave बनाते हैं, virtual and diminished. तो लेकिन हमें वो इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, हमें केवल ये पता है डिमिनिश्ड इमेज है, डिमिनिश्ड इमेज दोनों बनाते हैं. तो इस वजह से हमें दोनों केस लेके ये क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा. वी टेक केस 1. ओके, lenses concave. Okay, then 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, and we also know that m is equal to v by, okay, which is equal to half, which tells us that 2v is equal to u. So u is equal to, no, sorry, v is equal to, sorry, we should find v is equal to u by 2. Okay, so it is 2 by u minus 1 by u is 1 by u. And what is u? Minus 20. So f is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Which is good because we get a minus sign here and the lens we assumed was concave. So we should be quite sure that we did the right thing. Okay. Now case 2. Lens is convex. Okay. In this case, again, how do we do this now? Ab lens is convex. So let's write a magnification is equal to v by u. So what should it be now? Should it again be half? Should it again be half? Because it is 2 times smaller. So can we say magnification is half? Think and tell me. It is a convex lens. The image is smaller. So smaller diminished images, convex lens, can they be virtual images?
No.
So they have to be real images. If they are real images, they are inverted images. If they are inverted, magnification has to be negative half. Okay, which tells us that v is equal to minus u by 2. Okay, so let's write that here is equal to 1 by v, which is minus u by 2 minus 2 by u minus 1 by u is minus 3 by u. Okay, and u is minus 20. So f is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter, which comes out to be positive, and we said it is a convex lens. So we should be quite sure that we did the right thing. So there are 2 answers to this. It can be either this lens or this lens. Okay. See, usually, let me be very frank with you, right? This type of complexity, इतना complex question usually board में नहीं आता है. ठीक है, इसके आसपास का complexity आएगा. अगर ज्यादा मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो लगभग इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो सकता है. और इस साल तो आपको केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आने हैं. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में तो बनाया ही जा सकता है. आई कैन ब्रेक इट इनटू पार्ट्स. I will say this is the question. The first thing I can ask is the lens concave or convex? Right? The second I can ask is, if it is a concave lens, then solve. If it is, then I can ask if it is a convex lens, then solve. Right? So that way, this question can come in a case-based question also. Okay? So you saw that we have to use the theory as well as the formula together. And it also helps us check our answers. Okay. So I think that is all I had for this chapter revision. Okay, I think we have covered all the things that was there in this chapter. Okay, we have talked about phenomenon, we have talked about the lens, we have talked about the mirror. Yes. Okay, so are there any questions, any doubts you have in this chapter, light chapter? Anybody, any doubts in the light chapter? We revised the, you know, the diffraction and other things also. We had, sorry, not diffraction, dispersion we have already revised, right? We have revised the scattering. We have revised why the sunrise is earlier and sunset is later. We have revised twinkling. We have done all those things, right? Just before your pre-board, we did one entire session revising those. So those things I did not include here. Any phenomenon, any part of this chapter you have doubts on? Arun, switch on your Anmols. Arun, Nishant, Shweta, Virat, Ayan. Camera on kariye beta. Anybody has doubts? Please let me know. We are good with this chapter now? No doubts at all. When we were doing the chapter, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि doubts नहीं है आप लोगों को. बेटा रिवीजन में अगर आप थोड़ा सा आपको भी पढ़ के आना पड़ेगा chapter, right? The next chapter we will do is the magnetic effect of current. ठीक है, तो प्लीज वो चैप्टर देखकर आइए, पढ़कर आइए अपनी बुक में से. अपने doubts भी mark करिए. Most likely during the course of the chapter when we do revision, your doubts will be answered. If they are not answered, then in the end, please ask your doubts. ठीक है? तभी आपको ज्यादा फायदा होगा इन क्लासेस का. Understood? Do you agree to study that chapter and come in the next class? Magnetic effects of current.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody agrees. Then I'll close the class for today. Okay. We'll close the class today a little bit earlier, about 10 minutes earlier. Okay, because we are done with this. I was hoping there will be a few more questions. Okay, then let's close the class. Sir, we will close the class. आपको attendance mark करने के लिए wait करना है? Chandramani sir?
हाँ जी सर.
हाँ, we will close the class now. They don't have any further questions for today.
Okay sir, okay
ठीक
sir,
है,
no issue.
so I'll end the meeting now.
Okay.
Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you in the
Thank you.
next class. Thank you. Bye.